Ang mga anak ko, libre na lang yung little boy at saka natin yung boy. Little bit pa. I'm the owner and Mrs. Lavinia. So the lifestyle is still the same, although hindi na kami arcade, hindi na kami antique. I'm a 410 owner. So your signature drink will be the Taglea, which we grow in our Guimaras farm. We planted 16,000 trees. We rank third best cacao beans in Region 6. If you ring your bell, you get a refill. Okay. You only drink it in a demi-tasse, in a small cup, because we only have one rule. If the children watch the Polar Express, you have to take your chocolate hot. Pag malamig na, talagang magtitikin siya. So you have to drink it hot, and we have to blow it a little, kasi mainit talaga. And we will serve you the cookies that will go with it. Okay?
Does it go automatically with the entrance?
Oh yeah, it goes with the entrance. All included na yan.
Okay.
The refill, the merienda, exempted na yan. Sino pa?
Everything.
The Rappler video will show you the tour. Dito na lang muna kayo mamag-settle. Ilang kayo?
Sino ang ito tour?
At least experience nyo ang Iloilo kasi.
Me and my husband were from Bohol.
You're from Bohol?
Yes.
Meron kayong sikwate?
Yes.
Kayo sa Bohol, meron kayong...
Katong
iba pangalan?
Tibuok.
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 Tibuok kasi tumutibuok yung nagbe-break yung earthen pot. Mas mahirap sa inyo, yung sa amin madali. 5 hours niluluto with gata. Kaya puti. Kaya if you cook, isi-shade mo lang yung over pasta, over soup, over sandwich,
Yes, it's
over
also
finishing
complement
sauce.
ice cream.
Yan. Ayun. Nakatikim ka?
Hindi ko na-try yung tibuok, but
Ito, meron kami tultol ice cream.
okay.
Ang ice cream naman is salt naman. O kaya meron kami flavor ng tultol asin. This was famous because Senator Loren Legarda already enacted a Philippine Ancestral Salt Law na pag hindi ka taga dyan, hindi mo pwedeng maklaim na ang asin mo is tultol. Parang Geographical Index System, GIS. Tapos yung like ang mangga ng Guimaras, may GIS na kami. Ang tultol, hindi pa. But pag sinabi mong tultol, taga Guimaras ka.
Okay.
Because you cannot have salt without the sea. Ang Guimaras is along the sea, di ba?
Yes. So we're going there tomorrow.
You're going there. Our farm is near Trappist. We
Okay.
planted 16,000 trees. May pangalan doon, Spring Bloom Agri Farm. You can take a visit. You're taking the van.
Maybe. Parang...
Our farm is overlooking the sea and overlooking Mount Canlaon.
Okay.
So, the goods that we sell mostly would come from artisans. Yung dapat kailangan. Yung mga MSME like us, small, medium, diba?
Business enterprise.
So.
Dito pa din po sila nakatira. Bali, meron lang po mga restricted areas sa taas. Ibig sabihin yan po yung mga kwarto ng mga may-ari po. So, this house is 159 years na po siya since 1865. So, bali, videos and pictures po, ma'am, is allowed naman po dito. Balikan nyo na lang po yung area after nyo po mag-chocolate or daanan nyo na lang bago kayo bumaba.
Okay.
Yes, so forward tayo, ma'am, please.
Awak sa mga kids.
Ang kamay. So, ito ang huling.
So, this house, pag tinawag siya na balay na bato, kasi this wall po is made of a river sand po siya in the limestone or Mampus area. So, all balay bato in Iloilo is along that river. So, sa likod ng bahay, doon po makikita yung Iloilo River. Doon po sila kumuha ng sands and stones na ginamit dito dati. And then, kung mapapansin nyo din po, we have a 24 status symbol post. Yan po yung mga malalaking poste that is made from whole trunk of kamagong tree po siya. And then, sabi po nila, kapag marami daw kayong poste sa loob ng bahay, ibig sabihin po yung mayaman. Yes. So, this is our escalera principal naman po. It's a 46-degree. Steep po siya, masyadong matarik po. So, yung purpose po nito is para sa mga bandido at mga tulisan para mahirapan sila sa pag-akyat natin. So, tayo naman po, yes. So, tayo naman po, we need to walk sideways naman for easy to us to go up. And hindi mga babae kasi before they are also very saya. So, yung steps po, meron po siyang meaning, it's oro plata mata. Oro means gold, plata means silver, and mata means death. So, sa pinakadulo po, either oro or plata po siya, wag lang po mata. Okay, so, forward tayo. Please, meron offer ng Rhea Watt na so,
Harap lahat. Dito ka dad. Thank you.
these are copies? Yes, it's a copy. Yes.
Pero madapa mandi ay. Oro plata mata.
Sige, forward tayo sa mga. Kasi mayroong bababa.
Ah, okay. Sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. So this is their salad. But for now, there's lots of tables kasi nung for restaurant na this one because of ventilation. So hindi na kasya doon sa sutayan, di ba na yung ilang salad. Yung pinalitan lang po dito is yung ceiling lang. So the rest is doon sila po ng bahay. So imagine this house is 159 years old po. And then yun nga po, di ba yung owner nakita niya sa baba kasi dito pa rin sila nakatira. There's a part down that open to the public dito pa. So for the floor po, yung dark na wood, ito yung tinatawag nila na kamago. And the light one is the bulabe. So the ebony and the iron. So nagkamali yung una kasi sabi niya na. So yun nga po, later if you have time, balik lang ulit kayo dito to take some pictures. But for now, you must try our chocolate doon sa Sutaya or the dining area. So yun yung pinaka-signature dito, yung chocolate is that. Saan po kayo, ma'am?
Me and my husband from Bohol, the rest.
Bohol.
Nakasama namin this one. Here.
Iloilo na rin. So they also have their oratorio. It's a family also. And then this one is their balcon, but we made a star buffet table. So
This
yun na po.
one is very old na.
Si Chief Justice Ramon Abansanya po diba?
Ah,
First
okay.
Chief Justice ng Iloilo.
Careful. Mga kids, careful.
This mirror is
Hindi naman siya antique cafe. Malalaman po pag antique kasi yun na po may mga datan. Yun dyan, private. Pork pinog. Yung pinog is slab of pork. So, roasted po more than that.
Okay.
And then the Ilustrado mo yung Panginoon is naka-raise yung pinky kasi nakalagay sa Demitas.
Okay.
Okay po.
Sige, take a seat.
yes.
Antiques.
Ito po siya, pwede po.
Dito ka. May, Chloe, dito ka, Chloe. Urong lari. Dito ka. Sige.
Hi, Nikki. Welcome to the Camilla Balay na Bato. My name is Lutz Saludes Camilla. I'm the 4th generation owner. This used to be the Avancenia ancestral house. The first generation owner was Don Fernando Avancenia. We have just turned 150 years today. Wow. Nikki, you are now at the silong of the house. Or at my side, at my right side is the almacen. The almacen is a Spanish word for shop. We sell all of these antiques and then, of course, our pride, the Hablon. The fortune of this house came from reading. Even before Magellan discovered us, we were already actively reading. And then, of course,
Don't touch dyan.
Sino ba yan?
Ayan, siguro ang pamilya.
Family nila? Yan si Mamo.
Talagang hawak-hawak. Hawak-hawak.
Avancenia Ancestral House. The first generation owner was Don Fernando Avancenia. We have just turned 150 years today. Wow. Maybe you are now at the CEO of the house, or at my side, the Avancenia is a Spanish word for shop. I said,
Careful po ah, mainit po yan, mainit. Wala usok yan, pero mainit siya.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3,
Salamat sa pagtanaw.